InterGeo, a leading conference and trade fair for geodesy, geoinformation and land management, opens amid much fanfare in Germany today. Over 17,000 visitors from 92 countries have descended on the host city of Stuttgart. They are here to learn about innovations, get an overview of industry trends, make contacts and grant contracts. With 535 exhibitors present at the venue, this year the spotlight will be on Geospatial 4.0, Big Data, the Internet of Things, UAVs, digital infrastructure and smart cities. Addressing the attendees today would be the President of the International Cartographic Association, Professor Georg Gartner, and ESRI's Director of Global Business, Chris Capelli. They will outline their visions for the future of maps and the maps of the future. Stay tuned to GeoBiz for more updates on the conference.
Navigation technology provider TomTom has introduced TomTom Road DNA, an exciting new product for vehicle localization that will turn the idea of automated driving into reality. Road DNA delivers highly accurate location information that can easily be integrated into an onboard system of a vehicle. The innovative new technology delivers a highly optimized lateral and longitudinal view of the roadway. Road DNA data matched with vehicle sensor data in real time informs a vehicle about its location on the road even while traveling at high speeds. By converting a 3D point cloud of roadside patterns into a compressed 2D view of the roadway, Road DNA delivers a solution that needs little storage space and limits processing requirements without losing detail.
China launched its most advanced remote sensing satellite Gaofen 9 from the Zhoushan Satellite Launch Center in the Gobi Desert on Monday. The satellite will provide sub-meter class resolution images for civilian purposes. These include land survey, urban planning, road network design, agriculture and disaster relief. The liftoff of Gaofen 9 marked the second launch of a Chinese spacecraft in a span of 37 hours. No concrete information about the first spacecraft was released by the state. This has led observers to speculate it might be an intelligence-gathering satellite or a platform to warn Chinese leaders of a missile strike.
World's largest drone manufacturer DJI launched two new interchangeable lens camera X5 and X5R designed for Inspire 1 professional model drones. The cameras make DJI's Inspire 1 the first commercially available drone featuring Micro Four Thirds sensor, which will allow for much higher resolution imagery. The new cameras will provide a higher quality image for thermal imaging or generating 3D maps. Both X5 and X5R support 4K video with 24 or 30 frames per second.
Following the launch of Aircodes, the Republic of Ireland's new postal addressing system, an enhanced Aircode dataset has been released by the AllMap data team at Map Mechanics, a specialist in worldwide mapping, business intelligence and GIS. Until this year, the Republic of Ireland had no national post codes. More than a third of all Irish addresses were duplicated, making it difficult to automate delivery scheduling or use address data in computer-based analysis or GIS. The new Aircodes datasets include location information in both Irish National Grid reference and latitude and longitude. To make the new codes more effective in thematic mapping, the AllMap data team has included free boundary data for each of the 139 principal post towns referenced in the codes.
North Korea's space agency will be launching a long-range rocket around the national anniversary of ruling Communist Party next month. While United Nations has banned the nation from conducting long-range ballistic missile tests, North Korea claims that it is going to test an Earth observation satellite. South Korea's defense ministry has said that tests by North Korea would lead to violation of the UN resolution. Despite the sanctions, North Korea launched its first satellite with long-range rocket in 2012.